my favorite traders, today I have got something really special for you. I'm taking $1 and turning it into $50, and guess what? I'm not keeping this money for myself. It will go straight into a giveaway for you, my most loyal followers from Telegram channel. So watch this video till the end to understand how even a tiny deposit can make big results, and of course I will explain how to join the giveaway. Let's get started. Let's start by moving the balance to the safe for the sake of transparency. I'm transferring everything except for $1. So now let's trade. Today our allies are Heiken Ashi chart and the 1 minute time frame. For indicators, we'll use max, super trend, and parabolic star. Set the marked values as shown on the screen, guys. I will add more currency pairs and we are ready to begin. Okay, here's our first suitable pair. Let's make the most of it. I opened a downward trade because in addition to super trend and parabolic star, the MACD confirms the signal. It's a bit nerve-wracking since we're trying to grow the deposit from just $1, but if anything goes wrong, I will lose only $1. And the first profit is already in $1.92. So now I'm opening another downward trade. This setup is perfect because we are in a clear down trade as confirmed by our indicators. Super trend and star make it easy to spot this trend and assess its trade. We're now at $3.69, just amazing. I like this pair, so I'm opening another trade right here. Done. So we'll skip the explanation for this trade as there's nothing new to add. Okay, $7 on the balance. What a great start, guys. So it's time to find the next good setup. Here it is, a pair with an uptrend, $7 on an upward trade. This one's straightforward, star points upward, and just look at the super trend. It's truly a super trend. And of course we also have confirmation from MACD. Now we just wait for the result. Great, let's switch pairs and find another opportunity. Another upward trend, so let's say the chance. There is a strong trend line on the chart that's so obvious you don't even need indicators. The movement should be powerful, so yeah, let's watch this trade. Yes, $26 on the balance, so I will open one more trade and we are done. Just look how far we have come from just $1. If this trade closes in profit, we'll have $50. Simply incredible. What a confident upward movement. It's so satisfying to watch, guys. Okay, yes, we did it. Turning $1 into 50 was a tough challenge, but I did it for you, so I hope you appreciate the effort. The trading results are high here in front of you guys. So from $1 to $50 right before your eyes, it's now your turn to take the action. To join the giveaway, you just need to follow these 3 simple steps. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, react to the post announcing this video, and leave a comment under this video. So that's it, really simple, and please don't forget that this is just the beginning. If you can do this, you can do everything and achieve your goals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and see you next time.